Hello friends, welcome to the easy recipe with Anupama. Today we are going to make egg salad grilled cheese sandwich. It is very healthy option for everyone. Let's start the recipe. Let's see ingredient for egg salad grilled cheese sandwich. For this we need 4 slices of bread, boiled egg which already chopped, grated carrot, chopped tomato, chopped capsicum, chopped onion, grated cheese and tomato ketchup, salt, black pepper and oil. Let's start the mixing all the salads. First we'll put egg, then we are going to add onions, capsicum, tomatoes, carrot. We are going to add salt. We are going to add black pepper. Let's add some cheese. We'll mix it. Now we'll add tomato ketchup. Now mix it properly. Let's make sandwich. We'll spread egg salad on the bread. I am using whole wheat bread. You can use any. Likewise, we have to spread with on every corner and we have to cover it. Likewise, we'll make all the sandwich. Now we are going to grill it. This is my grill pan. First we have to heat the pan. Now pan is heated. We'll add some vegetable oil. We'll put the oil everywhere. Now we'll put the sandwich on the pan. Let it cook. Let it grill from one side. This cooked from one side, we have to flip it carefully. See how golden brown looking this one. This one is looking very nice. Let's cook it from the other side. It is cooked from both sides. We'll transfer this on a plate. And now we'll put the another sandwich. Now our sandwich is ready. Let's see. It's looking very nice. I'll show you the sandwich from inside. Let me cut it. See how colorful it's looking from inside. Let's decorate the plate. Now we'll decorate this plate with ketchup and a toothpick. We'll make in a side. Otherwise we'll make in all sides of plate. Yeah, it's almost done. Now our egg salad grilled cheese sandwich is ready for breakfast. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. See you